Hey, welcome back, everybody. The other day, we were working with pizzas and checking out the number of cups of flour, cups of water, and cups of oil that it would take to make different batches of pizza. So, again, to make one batch, I need 8 cups of flour, 3 cups of water, and 1 cup of oil. However, if I wanted to make two batches of pizza, as I said the other day, it would be 16 cups of flour because 18 times 2 equals 16. And then right here, cups of water, 3 times 2 would be 6. And cups of oil, 1 times 2 would be 2. So 2 cups right there. Now, I have a graph over here that I made to show you. Let me make this side a little bit bigger. Ah, okay, there we go. And over here, it looks like it's counting by fives. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So basically what we're doing is you guys should have been able to fill out this chart the other day from doing it on Flipgrid, and you're simply just going to plot all the points. And I want you to find out if there is a positive relationship or a negative relationship. Now, what a positive relationship is when the line is going up. So from right here to the next point, it's going up. So that's a positive relationship. However, if it were going down, which none of these are, but if it were going down this direction, then that would be a negative relationship. So what I want you guys to do is I want you to create your own graph on a piece of paper. It doesn't have to look exactly like this. Be creative, use what makes sense to you. And I want you to finish plotting all the points that you created from your table the other day. And then I want you to tell me with each thing, with a cup of flour, is there a positive relationship or a negative relationship? With cups of water, is there a positive relationship or a negative relationship? With cups of oil, is there a positive relationship or a negative relationship? So I look forward to seeing your guys' graphs. And also remember, just to make your lives easier, and to be able to tell the difference between the different things, what you can do is use different colors to represent each thing. So right here, I have blue for cups of flour, I have red for cups of water, and then I have yellow for cups of oil. So good luck with it, have fun, and I can't wait to see your graphs.